First of all friends, you have to download an application named Excel from Play Store. The icon will be like this. Just I will open this icon. I will click on this. It will show the screen like this, and to open a new document you have to click on this plus icon over here. I will do just press. Now you will see the screen will appear like this. I will select this screen. Yeah, okay. If you want to sign up, you can do it, or without sign up you can also do it. For that I have a paper image in front of me. I want to convert this sheet into my Excel data. How we can do? Let's start. Just click on this button. This will appear. Now I will click on this camera button. Just click over here. Now you will see the sheet is coming in front of me. What I have to do? I will just take image of this sheet. Just wait. You have to adjust your hand. I will just take this image. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to just select the range. Just do it properly. Just like that's it. Now I will select confirm. Let's wait for some second. It will convert my data into Excel. Let's see friends. Now I will select open button. Open anyway. Now see, your image is converted into Excel data. See the magic of this app. Now if I will want to increase the size of this column, just click over here, then just drag it. Oh, you can drag it. So now you can see the full name. Now if I want to do sum of this salary, or I want to edit the heading, what I will do, just double tap over here. Y is missing, I will write Y, then okay, great. Now I want to total of this. What to do? Just click on this FX icon over here. It will give you all the list of functions which you can use. Now I will select sum. Then here you have to select the range. I will select first, then just drag, which we are doing in our computer. Then click on this green button. Now your sum is also ready. That's great. If you want to highlight, if you highlight this cell, how you can do it? Just click over here. There are number of color options. I can highlight with this any color. Now the great feature is, if you want to filter the data or you want to sort the data, that you can also do. Just click over here. The ascending descending option is there. I will click, say for example, this salary into descending. Yep. Just within the click, the data is sorted in a proper way. You can do it with effective manner. Now if I want to save this file or share this file, how you can do it? Just in a single second. Just click over here. You can share as an attachment. You can share as a workbook. You can share it with WhatsApp, email, anyway. Oh friends, you have enjoyed this video and you will like this video. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not. Thank you very much. Keep smiling.